DMC60T RS3, 5 pellets, 4 pellet cube, and fifth one is in here. Let's go to Z-axis, rotate the Z-axis, see that Charlie. See that here, high 19C530, touch probe, lasers in here, 2-change HSP, 63A, 24,000 RPM. Here, 12-inch test bar in there, HSP of 100, and return is now running up one, the upside. If you go a little bit closer, you see this. A very, very good spindle actually. And this indicator is 50 millions indicator. You see this here, 50 million indicator. So now we check the bottom. Now here we're checking the RS3 60T, 300mm, 12 inches test bar, also on the bottom. And again, it's a 50 million indicator here, 50 million. And we got about, we turn here, it's hard to see. It's about 3/10, so 6 microns about on the bottom. We'll check also, the spindle was changed too, so very nice machine here, live, EuropeanMachineTool.com. Now we go in C direction, up and down here for the spindle on the test bar, and it's about 6/10, about 14 microns straightness here. See all the way down and all the way up here the test bar. And go a little bit closer here and see, it's all time hard to see, it's a 50 million indicator, and it's about 6/10 in the direction up here. We see this here, about 6/10, and it's about 14 microns in millimeter on 300mm test check. We have the head in 90-degree position and double check the accuracy here. And as we go close again, it's again the same 50 million test bar, HSP 63A, 50 million indicator, and we have about 2/10. About 2/10, that's 5 microns of 12 inches or 300mm here. You see this, we move x-axis and it's 2/10, okay? That's 5 microns accuracy. Check here again, we turn the spindle here in a 90-degree position here. And we got the same what we had before in the vertical position here, about 7 mics. 6, 7 microns, 8 microns, you know, it's a 50 million indicator here. 300mm or 12 inches test bar, we have the indicator now at the bottom here, and it will show you here, it's again 50 million indicator, 50 million indicator, and here it's all live, EuropeanMachineTool.com. It's about 2 microns, a tenth, not even, so about a tenth of 2 microns straightness. Is the x-axis driving in 90 position here. We see this is all live, EuropeanMachineTool.com. Take over the table here, you see this. Now we go in the back direction and try to stay near 50 million indicator. We drive over the table, you see that's live, EuropeanMachineTool.com. And it's about, how much is it about? Yeah, about 1/10. So 2 microns over the table. That's coming y-axis out. Y-axis over the table, 1/10. Okay, so very, very nice. We go also over the table and check that, you know, it's the rotation of the table and the indicator on the head. See that? We got about 4/10. 4/10. It's about 10 microns on a table surface in 360 degrees spinning the rotary table. Now we go a little bit faster, just increase the override, and we make a tool change here. You see that double gripper, HSK 63A, and it changes 0 to back. We see an RS3 machine, 60T, EuropeanMachineTool.com. We see 4 pellets, and the 5th pellet is inside the machine area. And each pellet has a system on it for clamping through the pellet by himself. We see this here, the hydraulic lines, and you can clamp a vise or parts in the vise, tombstones, etc., etc. Each pellet system has that built in. So any questions, thank you very much. Have a great day. It's a DMU60T RS 2005. We run here 20,000 RPM right now, and you see that spindle, it's whisper quiet actually, and we have the water running here too. Let's check the vibration here on the control. You see this is 20. Let's go 22,000. It's 22,000 RPM here. You see this, and everything is good on the vibration here. We can go also up to 24 quick. Let's go 24,000 RPM. Go 24 here and hit NC start. And you see that here, 24,000 RPM. Here is the spindle here. We have the cabin door closed.